Skepticism then is all about questioning, not accepting things. So you probe deeply, you question everything, you challenge everything. So the idea is maybe you're given a forecast, you've got to challenge the ideas of that forecast, the assumptions that it's built on. However, you do need to be careful that if you are going to challenge, then you need to have evidence as to why you are challenging. It's not enough to say, I don't agree with this, this is a weakness. You have to say why. But also, in a courteous way, okay, so you've always got to have good manners there. And you've got to think of, right, is what is happening here, is it ethical? Is it in the public interest? Is it in the organisation's interest? Is it in the interest of professionality as a whole? Okay, so make sure that you use your ethical and professional values and that you question and you challenge information. And remember, this will be told to you as well in the exam question. It says use your skepticism. So you think, I am going to challenge some of the exhibits that I get given here.